that pretty much cuts the cake when it comes to purchasing a jumping spider for the first time. Hi you guys, and welcome back for another video. Today is just pure chaos, just like the other videos. I'm pretty sure that's going to be a reoccurring theme on this platform of mine that we call YouTube. But this week we are going to dive into the adventures of me and my new pet here. This will be my jumping spider, nonetheless. Of course, me, out of all people, would buy a jumping spider. I am absolutely terrified of spiders. But no longer am I terrified of spiders because of my new arachnid here. So let's get into the unboxing. This whole video is absolute chaos. I recorded at multiple different times. And I also have children and a very annoying dog named Daisy. We love her though. So bear with me and come on this journey and let's see what kind of footage we got. Okay, you guys. So first of all, before we get to opening our little baby, let me show you their enclosure. So I just used an old Tupperware that I got, I think, from like Home Goods or something like that. So it's just one of those ones where it has like a little pressy on the bottom. They say to use these if you're going to make your own because jumping spiders like to make their homes at the top. So when you go to feed them or take out a molt or something, you want to be able to open it from the bottom. All right. So this is what I made them. Don't mind this. This is just something that happened in the past. I don't know. That's why I chose this one. But this is what I made them. Has a nice little patch of real moss right here. I got some rainbow fluorite, some moss agate, and then I put two little sticks right here. I hot glued them in. I'm hoping actually that they'll make their hammock like right here. So when they're like here, and then this guy goes on like that, and hopefully I want him to make his little hammock right there so he can just be chilling, a cute little spood. The mailman will be here in about 20-ish minutes. I am patiently waiting, staring out the door pretty much, just waiting for little spood to get here. So the mail, when it comes I wanna wait. All right, we got Miles here to help us, but our spooder is here. Are you really excited? Yeah, okay. We're gonna open up the box off camera because I got a knifey knife. All right.
It's in there.
Yeah, he is. Or she is. We don't know yet. It's unsexed.
Is he in that box bag?
Yeah.
Is he hot?
And but not in this one. Here we go. Here's a hat.
Don't put it on me.
We have this little layer here.
Hey, don't
Okay.
on me.
Here's the second part.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure they're going to be in here.
Yep.
Oh, there it is. Okay. So we got this cute little sticker patch that says, Bold Variant Jumping Spider Sling. This baby is captive bred and was hatched on July 4th. It's a 4th of July baby. They have been eating fruit flies every other day. You can get fruit fly culture from pet store. It comes in a bowl and is usually with other insects. I use spray bottles like from travel section to mist every other day the walls of the home. Make sure it's a fine mist. Spray the walls, not the spider, as these babies could drown. Super easy to care for. I would love to answer anything I can, so please let me know if you have any questions or issues with shipping. Thank you, Kristen. Yeah, and she was super nice too. Taped down and everything, nice. Oh, we got some SIPDER stickers in here too. Cute, some SIPDER stickers.
Yeah.
Yeah, those, you can have them. And then here we go. Here's the main event. And there they are. Right here. And it looks like they did have some flies. Let's pick them up. And if you guys look right here, it does look like the spood did molt in transit. So let's get them in their little container. Let's find them. So we have the container, baby came in, and we have their new home. This is the part where I'm really nervous, okay?
What?
Because we gotta find them in here. If we can find them. I'll open it.
Why?
Well, I don't want to open it and not have them in there. Okay, I found them, and they are actually back here. Right there behind the flower. So what I'm going to do actually is I am just going to carefully open this up and then put the top on. So here we go. Yeah. And boom. This is how I have them right now. They're actually right back here, right behind that blue flower. Isn't back there? We'll come back in a little bit once he's back. Here, I think we got a visual on him. Right there in the back. Just chillin'. He's like, what the hell? Where the F am I? He's actually bigger than I thought he was going to be. I'm super happy about that. So there he is. Look at him exploring. Hi, buddy. Oh, where'd he go? So I'm back here. It's been about a week since I got my jumping spider, and he's loving his enclosure. They're loving their fruit flies. Like, they're living their best life. I'm actually sitting here right now with them in the sun, just giving them some sun because, you know, they like the heat, they like moisture. Just gave them some water. But I figured I would bring you guys with me to feed them and see if I can get some nice shots of them eating here in the sun. So let's do that. All right. So there's no right way to film this for me because I am not a professional YouTuber and I have no clue what I'm doing. I am just sitting here. So this is how we have to sit. We have our flies.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have Miles. And we got our spood. All right. So we're gonna put these flies into here. Let's see if we can figure it out and figure out this shot, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So this is how I do it. I don't know how much of I'm gonna be able to record of this. So I pull this up like this. We gotta locate our little 8-legged friend. He's right here next to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're gonna go like this, get these guys ready. Such a good helper, Miles.
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna pat it down like this. Okay, now don't make any sudden moves now, okay? We don't want to scare Spider. I'm gonna open this while I'm tapping it because I'm still so scared. I'm a new spider mom. Yeah, are we scared? A little bit. There we go, like this. Hang on, don't make any moves. Go like this. And I'm pouring them in there, guys. I'm off camera. Sorry about it. They're in the cap. I pour them in the cap. And I go like this. Doop. It's a quick and kind of scary interaction. I'm not going to lie. I'm not used to it, but let's see if we can get you some shots of him because he's right here on top. And then here he is, if you can see him right there. He's right here. He's about to go down there and get one. He's preparing for it. I haven't named the spider just yet, just because I don't know if it is a boy or a girl. I don't think I will for another few months. But when he came, his booty was just so small, and I was like actually scared that he was gonna go through the air holes that I made. But I fed them. They ate like a crazy spider and have been drinking a lot, and they've actually grown, I think, double the size they were when they arrived in the mail, which is understandable because it took about 3 days to get here. And all of that. But he's loving his new enclosure. It's a way bigger difference than his little ramekin that he was shipped in. So yeah, owning a jumping spider is really fun. My kids love it. I love him. I catch myself staring at him sometimes just by my bedside, just watching what they do. It's a really fascinating experience, actually, and I've loved it so far. So if you have the time, go try getting a jumping spider. Well, doesn't this look familiar? The outro looks a lot like the intro. That would be because I never filmed an intro. But yeah, no, anyway, guys, that was my journey with the jumping spider, purchasing, making the terrarium, feeding him. That was not my first time feeding him, but no, yeah, feeding is a little intimidating, and it's not even because of the jumping spider. It's because of these guys. If you don't go like multiple times as you're feeding, like these guys will just go everywhere. So like I just find myself going the whole entire time. And the these are the fruit flies that I did get. I got them off eBay. And if you can see, these guys are reproducing like crazy. So I am going to say that this was a good purchase, and it was only $14.99. Again, I am not an arachnid. I am not a keeper of any sort. This is my first time ever even housing a spider. Like, even as a kid, I never did this shit, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm bored. But it was really fun, and I recommend it. I'm actually really scared of spiders, and he is helping me. Like, I'm not scared of them at all. Like, I am scared of the other spiders still, but this is really actually helping me get my toes in the water a little bit. So all those other videos that you hear talking about that is absolutely true. I really love my jumping spider, and I would recommend it if you're scared of spiders too. The fruit flies they're not scary, they're just fast. And that's all I have to say about that, really. It's a good starter pet, especially I would say like if you have a very busy life, you don't have time for like litter boxes or walks and like all the maintenance of like a normal house pet. I would say that the jumping spider is a really good alternative. So that pretty much cuts the cake when it comes to purchasing a jumping spider for the first time. I did some research online, did some Google searching, went on eBay. I found a reputable seller, read through the comments and reviews. My spider personally came very healthy. Like I said before, his butt was super teeny tiny when he showed up. because he didn't eat or drink for a couple days in transit, which makes sense because I believe he came from Indiana. But when he came, he ate right away. These again are the fruit flies that I got from another eBay seller. And if you can't see, these guys are reproducing like a crazy, super crazy. So I really hope my kids don't put their little mittens on that, and yeah, because that would be really bad. But yeah, I love my little spood. He is Ricka relaxing over here. He's really. I have him in the garage with me right now because it's nice and warm out. I live in Minnesota, so it's gonna get cold here soon, and we're not gonna have this natural heat and humidity. So I figured I would let them have some while we had the chance. But yeah, that's pretty much the jumping spider experience, to be honest. Thank you for coming to my chaos of a video per usual. So, welcome to the chaos family.